traders, today I will trade with up deals, and as a bonus I'll show you how to trade with my private strategy on my private Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description, and let's start our trading session. So we are already on the pocket option. Today I'll show you the parameters. It will be fast today. The deal amount will be $100, and after which we will increase its sum. So 30 seconds. 30 seconds also you can copy. Two indicators we see, and it was changed personally. You can copy it for you. And first concept, open 10 deal. So we see parabolic, we see fresh trend, volume of the candles is great, support area is far away, we see, and by the second indicator we see this zone minus 100. We see we overcome it, which means that we will go even lower. And yeah, plus deal, volume is great. We have overcome the support area. And TCI indicator we see direct downwards. We see that we still have some gaps on the chart. We immediately changed the amount of the deal to $200. So we see. And don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. Second concept, up deal, we see this trend upward, and the last period we see by parabolic, we see that trend is fresh. With the drawdown, we see that indicates that it's more likely that there will be a drawdown. No drawdown. Good. Plus deal we see, and we close it, of course, in plus. Good. We set the deal amount to $300 and move on to the next concept. And the third concept, we begin to analyze using our indicators. The parabolic we see is clearly directed to the lower position. Our chart is at the moment. We immediately highlight the second indicator as well. Our global trend is downward. If we choose the second indicator by CCI, we see that it is a little more volatile than parabolic. So for this, we use two indicators for combination. Zero DL, we didn't have enough, so it's not a minus, so it's good. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now then, and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. The second indicator is more volatile, and let's see what we have. I think we go further. So and don't forget about my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description. They'll find my deals. It's broadcasted to my Telegram channel. All my deals. Our deal amount is for now $400. We moved to the fourth concept. Upper and lower boundaries we see, we highlighted. Points are formed at the bottom of the screen. We connect the general trend using the second indicator. By CCI, we see upward trend. At the moment on our chart, we see its stable growth. volume of candles is quite pleasant. Good. Situation, the deal is closing in plus. We reach a certain area of resistance, so we change the deal amount to $500 as we have fifth concept up. We open up and let me tell you why. We see global trend by parabolic it's forming in the upper position, but according to the second indicator we have reached this mark, so we will be going by drawdown. Yeah, we see this drawdown 4 seconds and we see rollback is happening. Yep, good. Last deal we see we got it. We see the recovery is slowly going up. It's important. I also want to remind you that about my YouTube channel, you'll see here many different videos, and subscribe, love, and comments if you have any questions. And of course about my Telegram channel, the link also is in the description. You can copy my deals and trade with it, and meanwhile we increase the amount to $600 and we go on up deal. We have upward trend by parabolic. We see that there are 2 points upper situation. We have highlight a sudden area of support. Of course it's not very strong, but still we're more likely to build on it. Sliding line is in the upper position. It will more even higher. Good. Last deal we see our balance is almost $20,000. Great. So I hope you understand how to trade with this strategy. I specifically showed it in the practice. Everything is quite simple. Just take into account all the nuances. So set of our settings, just copy it and use it in your trading. My videos you can find in my YouTube channel, and of course I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description to it, and if you have any questions you can write me in the comments. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.